Queen Sirikit National Convention Center, QSNCC, is Thailand's first and largest convention center in Bangkok's Central Business District. Since its inception, QSNCC has hosted more than 20,000 meetings, incentives, conventions, and exhibitions, MICE. Therefore, QSNCC is dedicated to continuously advancing Thailand's MICE industry. So in 2019, QSNCC closed for a major renovation, aiming to start a new chapter as the pride of the nation and setting out to be the ultimate inspiring world-class event platform for all, and become an international destination for world-class events. The renovation was completed on time and reopened on September 12, 2022. As part of its design philosophy, QSNCC embraces a modern, elegant design that reflects Thai identity while promoting sustainability and well-being. The center provides comprehensive meeting and event facilities with state-of-the-art technology and flexible space. With a wide range of transportation options available, QSNCC has been a preferred venue for major events since its inception. With a total area of 300,000 square meters, the new QSNCC is 5 times larger than its predecessor. It offers 8 exhibition halls, 4 conference halls, 4 plenary halls over 2 floors, and a retail area. It has state-of-the-art facilities and technology and can cater to any event, from live concerts to global summits. Located in the heart of Bangkok, QSNCC is accessible via several modes of transportation. A total of 3,000 parking spaces are available for visitors. It can be reached by MRT via the QSNCC station, which is directly connected to the venue. Visitors can enjoy the view of the lake and park, or they may wish to take a stroll through the nearby Benjikiti Park. Excellent facilities and unmatched services are available at QSNCC for holding various work-related or social events. Flexibility was a priority in the design of the 78,500 square meter event space, which also includes 50 additional meeting rooms and a sizable shop area. The state-of-the-art facility is staffed by a committed, qualified workforce that consistently exceeds expectations. The first LEED Silver Certified Convention Center in Thailand, QSNCC, prioritizes environmental protection at all development and operation phases. The voluntary accreditation confirms that it operates following the strictest international standards in all relevant environmental fields. In addition, the QSNCC has adopted sustainable measures like using renewable energy and lowering its carbon footprint to become a green venue. A global standard of safety and security is provided by QSNCC, including everything from physical cleanliness to food safety to digital security. In addition, solutions for intelligence event platform management system and touchless access make the area's services run more efficiently and securely. CCTV cameras have also been deployed all around the place. Having invested in state-of-the-art infrastructure to support the most cutting-edge events, QSNCC is prepared for the coming decade of digital technology. Every area of the QSNCC is connected by fiber optic and Wi-Fi networks, enabling online and hybrid events to function smoothly. In addition, our skilled IT staff ensures that attendees and organizers feel at rest and enjoy their time at our location. The Queen's Sirikit National Convention Center, QSNCC, has already been a big success, bringing several major international events to the center of Bangkok. For its inaugural year, around 13 million tourists worldwide are anticipated. The 2022 APEC, Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation, Summit, which will be held at the QSNCC from November 14th to 19th, will be one of the big events already scheduled. I hope you enjoy this video, and do click on the like and subscribe button below. Thank you and goodbye.